Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today we're talking about cars, not this one or that one. We're talking about my 2009 Nissan Altima, which has a steering lock issue. So the steering lock issue has been a common issue with the 2009s, and I guess so on and so forth. Maybe it happens in Maximas, maybe it happens in Infinities, but it happened in mine. So I'm gonna tell you guys what the quick fixes are, and you don't have to pay the $800 that Nissan is still charging for a 14-year-old car. Crazy, right? And the part's $800, not maintenance and fees and whatever. So basically what you're gonna do, sorry if I sound winded, I recorded this video and it was bright. What you're gonna do is you're gonna tear your under your steering wheel down basically, and you're gonna find, what you're gonna find is, this is your first fix. So get you out a quick fix and get you out of a bind right quick. You find this thing right here, that's gonna be right under your steering wheel column, right? You're gonna bang on it gingerly, maybe hard, maybe beat the shit out of it, I don't know. So basically you beat on this for a little bit and hopefully your car turns on. Hopefully you start your car. All right, so eventually that's going to eventually it's going to eventually die doing that, right? So what people started to do was, instead of doing that, they put their finger in it or something, or a piece of toothpick in there, keep it stuck down, so basically that engages it and takes it away. Of course, that's not going to work forever either. So third option, I have a affiliate link at the bottom. Well, whatever, a link to Amazon, whatever you want to call it. It has the part that I use. Actually it's this part, but it's cheaper. It's like $160. Still got to pay for it, but it's not $800. Like, it's not like crazy money where you're like really got to think about it. I mean, not to say you can't think for $200, but you know the difference. All right, so basically, plug and play. Unplug this. There's a tab right here. Unplug that. Pull this out. Put new one in. Done. Only issue is that I had was that I had those parts twice. The first part, I brought it in the car, pulled it in, car turned on, no problem, right? Went to turn the car on again, nothing. It died again, basically. So it engaged the lock on the new one as well. So I sent it back, got a new one, it did the same thing again, but this time I didn't take it back. I decided to investigate and I tore it apart myself. And then when I tore it apart, I found that there were two buttons that were in here, right? So there's a button in here and there's a button right here. So I have this one pressed already and this one right here that's not pressed. So when I want to turn my car on, I press this button, regular 2-button start basically. It's not like 1-button start, and that works for me. Now, if you are in the same situation that I was, or get in the same situation, you can put a rubber band on it, hold it there, just to leave the car on, and so you don't have your whole undercarriage like mine tore down like the way I do it. I only do this because it's a work car, but I should appreciate things better. So I would eventually get this fixed and keep it right. And I kept this down for almost a year because I wanted to make this video for you guys. This part's shit, and I'm pretty pissed off, and Nissan doesn't recall this because hundreds of people have been stranded because of their cars and this little stupid ass recall. Hopefully this helps everyone that's looking for this video because it's a pain in the ass. The best indicator, and I should have brought this up earlier, one of the big key indicators of knowing that your car is like that key lock thing is messed up and it's not like a dead battery, is that will be illuminated. Let me see if I can get a little brighter. Oh, the key, that will be illuminated saying key. And once that's illuminated, you know that's your battery's not dead and your car is working fine. It's just that the lock is engaged and your car is pretty much toast until you can get it running again, because it's not going to move. You can do whatever you want to do. I didn't go as far as trying to jump it because I didn't want to go in the circuit board and blah 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 blah, do that. I just found a part and did that, done. So it's going to cost almost $200, but I think all in all, it's a better deal than $800 plus whatever they're charging nowadays for maintenance fees or hourly. So they probably give you 2 hours, so $100 an hour during this time of year, maybe $1,000. I don't know, but thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps. Now stay tuned for some more stuff. I got some more stuff I guess I can put down there so you guys can help out, because I guess that's the direction this channel is going. All right, have a good one. Have a good day.